how to use latest Python 2.7.x the right way on Ubuntu 12.04 LTS. My project needs to stay current on Python releases, but 12.04 LTS is currently stuck on 2.7.3. Even though 2.7.5 is out now, is there a way I can stay more current without manually compiling? We're required to stay on package-based installation for Python. What's the right way to handle this? Thanks.
Edit, *as Anthan has pointed out in the comments, this PPA does not include Python 2.7 for Ubuntu 12.04, precise. See Funky Future's answer below, which I don't believe existed when I originally responded. The preferred Ubuntu way to deal with packages not included in their universe by default is to use a PPA, third-party repository, rather than manually compiling. You maintain the benefits of package management, updates, and dependency resolution this way. However, the third-party repositories are not officially supported, if that is part of your requirement. The Dead Snakes, get it, PPA maintains Python releases not included in the system's package management. You can read more about this PPA here. However, in your case this does not include Python 2.7, as Dead Snakes only provides major versions not included and not point releases. As Ubuntu already packages 2.7 for Ubuntu 12.04, Dead Snakes will not provide this. It might be preferable for you to make the case that you should not use the native packaging with Ubuntu in this case. See this excerpt from Dead Snakes. If you are absolutely required to use the operating system's package management, and are unable to move to a different version of Ubuntu with a package provided by Dead Snakes, or natively, then you only have two options left, as I see it. You could request a backport of Python 2.7.5 to Ubuntu 12.04. You could create your own PPA with the version of Python you require. Side note, Ask Ubuntu is a better Stack Exchange to post stuff like this to, than Superuser generally.
Felix Kroll also maintained, as in unmaintained now, a PPA with the latest Python 2.7 release for Ubuntu Precise, Trusty and Utopic. You can use the same process like Kronder describes, but use instead or additionally this PPA. PPA column Kroll /Dead Snakes Python 2.7.